Part 2. Because apparently 10 words wasn't enough disasters for one lifetime. If you miss Part 1, Embarazada doesn't mean embarrassed, and preservativo will get you a very weird look at any grocery store. Go watch that first. This time, we've got 25 new ones. Some of these are even worse. Word 1. Tuna. You're thinking fish, right? Sandwich filling. In Mexico, tuna is a cactus fruit, prickly pear, bright pink inside. Ask for tuna at a Mexican market, and you might get handed a cactus, not a can. Word 2. Cola. Sounds like the drink. Sometimes it is, but cola also means tail, and in some countries, a line, like waiting in line. Hacer cola means to stand in line, not to make a soda. Word 3. Once. Looks like once in English, right? One time. It's actually the number 11, pronounced once. If someone tells you to meet at once, they mean 11 o'clock, not one time.
Word 4. Salsa. You know this one. Sauce, right? Also a dance. Also a style of music. Order salsa expecting a dip and end up on a dance floor instead. Context matters here a lot. Word 5. Coger. This word is fine in Spain, means to take or to grab. In Mexico, do not say this word in public. It has a very different, very vulgar meaning there. Use tomar or agarrar instead, always. Word 6. Bizarro. Looks exactly like bizarre. Sounds exactly like bizarre. In Spanish, it actually means brave or generous. Totally opposite vibe from what you'd expect.
Word 7. Lentilla. Sounds like lentil, the food. It's actually a contact lens. Ask a pharmacist for lentillas and they will not hand you soup ingredients. Word 8. Recordar. Looks like to record, means to remember. ¿Recuerdas means do you remember? Not are you recording. Mixing these up gets confusing fast in conversation. Word 9. Ganga. Sounds like a certain English slang word. In Spanish, it just means a bargain, a good deal. Es una ganga means it's a steal, the good kind of steal.
Word 10. Embarazoso. Different from embarazada, but easy to confuse. This one actually does mean embarrassing. The situation, not the person. Spanish loves doing this to beginners. Word 11. Resfriado. Sounds cold, literally related to fresh or cold. It means you have a cold, the sickness, not that you're feeling refreshed. Word 12. Introducir. Looks like to introduce. It does mean that, but also means to insert, as in physically insert something into something else. Be careful with this one in technical conversations.
Word 13. Asistir. Looks like to assist, to help. Actually means to attend. Asisto a la clase means I attend class, not I'm helping the class. Word 14. Suceso. Looks like success. Actually just means event or incident. Could be a good event, could be a car crash. The word itself doesn't tell you which. Word 15. Largo. Sounds like large, big. Actually means long. A camino largo is a long road, not a big one. For big, you want grande.
Word 16. Carta. Looks like cart or maybe card. Actually means letter, as in mail. Also can mean menu at a restaurant. La carta, por favor. Bring me the menu. Word 17. Vaso. Sounds like vase, flowers, decoration. It means glass, the cup you drink from. For an actual flower vase, that's jarrón. Word 18. Rato. Sounds like the rodent, rat. Actually means a while, a short period of time. Espera un rato means wait a little while, not wait for the rat.
Word 19. Pretender.
Looks exactly like to pretend. Actually means to intend or to try to.
Pretendo aprender español
Means I intend to learn Spanish, not I'm pretending to learn Spanish. Word 20. Pegar. Sounds aggressive, looks unfamiliar. Means to stick or to glue. Also, separately, can mean to hit. Context decides which one you mean. Word 21. Realizar. Looks like to realize, to understand something. Actually means to carry out or to accomplish. Realicé el proyecto means I completed the project, not I realized the project.
Word 22. Disgusto. Sounds like disgust, gross, repulsive.
actually just means displeasure or annoyance, milder than disgust, more like being upset. Word 23, contestar, looks like to contest, to argue against, actually means to answer. Contesta el teléfono means answer the phone, not argue with the phone. Word 24, sano, sounds like a name, or close to sane, actually means healthy. Comida sana means healthy food, nothing to do with mental state.
Word 25, demandar, looks like to demand, to insist on something. Actually means to sue, legally. Voy a demandar means I'm going to sue, not I'm going to demand. 25 more words, 25 more ways to confuse everyone around you. If you survived both parts, you're basically fluent in disaster prevention at this point. Comment which word from either video genuinely shocked you the most. Subscribe if you don't want to find out the hard way, like I did.